So 2018, guys, G80 Genesis sedan with the 3.3 turbo. You don't see these every day with the 3.3. Usually you see them like 5.0 or 3.8, but not the 3.3 turbo. So it's cool. So here's the mufflers. The stock mufflers on it, as you guys can see, right there and right there. Resonators are there. Secondary set of cats, and then manifold cats up there on the manifold. All right, on each side. So here it is from that side. Here it is from this side. Double cats, 2 resonators, and 2 stock mufflers. And so it has 2 dual outlet out the back on the mufflers. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna cut it here and run it out single instead of dual. Cut it there and run it out single on this side. Cut it out here and run it single into one of these tips because they're built into the bumper. As you guys can see, the rear diffuser. So there's no point in doing duals out of it. So we're just gonna do it single because we want it louder actually. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. G80 by Genesis. 3.3 turbo. This is what it sounds like before. Very, very quiet. Too quiet. Wow, you can't even hear it. Look. This is their luxury line. That's why it's so quiet. That's crazy how quiet it is. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 83. All right, guys, stay tuned. We will let you hear it after. All right, guys, 2018 sedan G80 3.3 liter turbo. You don't see much of the 3.3 liters, so it's only got 27,000 miles on it. That's insane, bro. It's a nice car. It's all decked out too. Anyways, so it's got manifold converters, one there and one there. Then the pipes come down, 2 secondary converters there, 2 factory resonators there, then 2 1/4 pipe out the back on each side, and then we did a muffler delete on each side. There and there, as you guys can see. It has a dual outlet tips, but it's too much work to put a Y pipe on there, and it defeats the purpose. And it takes away from the sound, so we just run them single on each side. And you can't see it anyways. When it's on the ground, you can't see any of that anyway, so it doesn't matter, as you guys can see, because the tips are built into the muffler. But that's what they look like out the back, the 2 mufflers, as you guys can see. And these suckers are heavy. They're really packed. That's why it was so quiet. Anyways, stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, hit that subscribe. Look at how decked out these cars are, guys. Good Lord. Everything's digital. 2-tone interior. Little shift knob. Little clock. Oh, sexy. Luxury. I love it. All right, here we go, guys. 3.3 turbo. G80. Now you can hear it. Finally. Here's Ivan. Yeah, it sounds really good. When they're turbo, they always don't have a lot of revs. What do you guys think of that tone? Here's sound decibels now. Go ahead. Oh, 104. 101. Perfect. You like it? Do we get a thumbs up? All right.
The intake's coming in. Really hear that turbo.
Oh, you're going to really hear it, yeah. You're going to get an intake for it too. If you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Pike. Here's our beautiful shop, guys. You guys wonder what it looked like. That sounds phenomenal. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Here we go. Genesis sedan 3.3 liter turbo with a muffler deleted. You don't see these cars every day deleted, so we're gonna let you guys see it. Yeah, it's clean. I like it. Not overbearing. It's a luxury car, so it's clean.